Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosi Nyaphilile Nyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much for coming. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe nokulike nokushare okuyizinto ezibalekile you guys. Ukuthi subscribe, like, ushare, ufake nebell on and ubuke nama ads mangabe ayaqhamuka during the video. So remember you guys, sasikhulume ke ngokuthi kuthiwa akaseke emhlabeni ubhuti Mapaputsi ogama lakhe la ngempela ke I think usandile Ngwenya, something like that you guys. Washona kubhuti Mapaputsi obe umculi weKwaito, the legendary Kwaito musician uMapaputsi. Niyamazi ngobuningi you guys. Thank you so much for watching my other video ka Mapaputsi. Kuthiwe ke laphana bekune I think memorial service bungazwa ke laphana ke impilo kabhuti uMapaputsi. So kunxuswe ke ubumbano laphana kubaculi beKwaito, kukhunjulwa ke uMapaputsi. Ilona daba engidubona laphana inkakha yeAfropop ke uMercy Phakela unxuse abaculi beKwaito ukuba bahloniphe ibhizinisi lomculo ke. uMercy wazakhela udumo ngengoma eyayithi ayashisa amateki. Ubengomunye ke wezikhulumi enkonzweni yesikhumbuzo somculi weKwaito uSandile Mapaputsi Ngwenya ebise ethu shopping center ngaseSoweto ngoLwesine. Uthe abaculi bengazimisela ngeke imali etshalwa kubo idliwe ngabanye abantu, kodwa zingaqonda kubo ngqo. Umlungisi uDumisani Dlamini utheke ubengumngane omkhulu noMapaputsi yize bebuye bengaboni ngasolinye. Uproducer owavumbulula ke Olundi noSifiso Ncwane uTshepo Zuzimuzi Nzimande unxuse abaculi kuba bahlukane nokukhukumalelwa ngamakhanda uma befuna ukuhlala isikhathi eside kule ndima, kodwa basike uphethini kuMapaputsi obehlale ezithobile njalo. Iphindi kaNgqongqoshe womnyango wezobuciko namasiko uNkosazana Peace Mabe lithusa amagalelo kaMapaputsi ngokuqhakambisa kumculo weKwaito nokubeka induku ebandla ngealbum yakhe yokuqala eyayithi Izinja. Utheke uqala bewuthi umukhuluma ngeningizimu Afrika phesheya bakubuze ngoDokotela Nelson Mandela, kodwa manje sebekhuluma ngomculo wamapiano ozalwe ke iKwaito. uNkosazana uMabe benxusa kabaculi ukuba bahlangane ukuze bakhulume ngazwi linye uhulumeni ezobaxhasa. Khona kuhulumeni ezobaxhasa ke ingane zikaMapaputsi uThando uMbali noTumelo kaMandoza nendodana kaBrix elingatholakala igama lakhe ke lapha nazivalelise kuyise ngokulingisa ingoma yakhe eyayithi My Love. uMapaputsi ushonele esibhedlela ke sasePinetown ngoSeptember 5. Uzofihlwa ke emathuneni amaqhawe iWest Park Cemetery Heroes Acre emuva kwenkonzo ezokuba seDlamini Multipurpose Center Hall eSoweto ke ngomgqibelo. Siyazi ukuthi bebe basiripothela ukuthi akasekho emhlabeni you guys. Kwaba nodaba bendubonile laphana kukhulunywa ngokuthi I think bekuyindaba yama funeral parlor engiyibonile laphana you guys kwesinye story kaZimoja ukuthi kuye kwaqhamuka ke angazi mhlawumbe obe unkosikazi wakhe ehamba noNhlanhla la izinto ezikanjalo you guys. Kwase kuba nokumshintsha from this funeral parlor to that funeral parlor. Angazi bekusenza kanjani laphana you guys. Istory sakhona besingesingisi ngathola ke ngixake kakhulu ngoba bebesithi khona ithi ngiye kusona you guys, ithi ngiye kusona kancane. Sikhona istory bekukhulunywa ukuthi let me go back a little bit. Akusona lesi lapha bathi family, friends and colleagues come out to honor the life and times of Kwaito legend uSandile Mapaputsi ngalolu suku nje sikhuluma ngalo. Kwase kuba khona esinye story bekade kukhulunywa I think ilesi ukuthi Mapaputsi's children cornered to hand over their father's corpse. Mapaputsi's family fight with his estranged wife over his burial. Ngase ngithi mina why you guys njalo nje kade masidlulelwa abantu emhlabeni sihlezi njalo sidonsana. Bekukhulunywa lapha na ithi ngifunde kancane noma ngeke ngiye kakhulu. Bathe bona Mapaputti's children and estranged wife are at loggerheads. The family of late Kwaito legend Mapaputsi, real name Sandile Ngwenya, is distraught following the drama leading up to his memorial service and funeral. This is after his estranged wife, Unithi Nhlapo, who has not been present in his life for over 2 years, accompanied by Nhlanhla Lux, allegedly cornered Mapaputti's children, the daughter on 29 and the son on 19, to surrender the deceased's paperwork and change funeral parlors after his family had already made all the necessary arrangements for the memorial service. Mapaputsi passed away in Durban on the 5th of September after being sick since October 2023. After he passed away in Durban, the Izinja artist was meant to be transported back to Johannesburg to be buried at his Soweto home. However, family squabbles have complicated the arrangements for his burial. Reports stated that the family needed 50,000 rands to have his body moved to Johannesburg after a friend allegedly held at a ransom. A family friend has revealed to Kuzimoto the first funeral parlor EGS funerals that collected his body from Ipan town in Durban had to be cancelled as family found Mapaputsi's body placed on the floor. EGS was asked by the family to assist in removing the body from this bed funeral parlor. Now Nhlanhla Lux apparently threatened EGS that they can't handle the funeral. The family friend said they are being forced to use Vuyo's funeral parlor. Nhlanhla Lux came with some affiliates and the spouse, Uniti, and said we need to change the funeral parlor to go with the Vuyo's because GS didn't have any experience. We are not sure why they want to change, but all arrangements were made with EGS. They told us that we need to use Vuyo's or else we will owe up to 100k. 1,000 rands, 100,000 rands, and Vuyo's will be covering all the costs. Shukuthi bekune drama laphana yokuthi bamfice ephansi esimendeni, angazi ukuthi bekusenzakalani mangabe umufi etholakala ephansi, bacasuka laphana bafika kuNithi obenginkosikazi wakhe kodwa bengekho empilweni yakhe for 2 years, wafika noNhlanhla Lux bafika bathi ayi makunjalo siyamthatha la simsusa la simusa la, okuyikuthi ke abantwana bakhe benomndeni bese bekulungisile konke ke nale particular funeral parlor. Mase befika uNhlanhla Lux noNithi bayamsusa bona bafuna ukumusa kaVuyo's bathi uVuyo's yena right ozokhokhela zonke izindleko. Kwaba khona idrama mhlambe nokungabonisi ngasolinye nokungavumelani khona lapho allegedly story engikufundele sona usizwile nawe from Uzimoja lapha na you guys. Ngasho ngathi idrama yonke le umuntu angakabe kwanokubekwa yizo izinto ezisuke zisibhore abantu masebedlulile emhlabeni uthola ukuthi ifamily yadonsana asenzeni lokhu singenzi lokhu simusele singamusile leso sikhathi umuntu wenkosi yami lokhu uyadonsa uyiswa lenale yona nje into enye ebengiyibonile you guys kodwa ke bekuyi memorial service yakhe Sibonile lo dade Winnie Khumalo and nabanye you guys ade bekhona lapha na bekhuluma ku funeral service yakhe utho khona omanye usinga uKhanyo Maphumulo obethi khona uMapaputsi left a positive impact on everyone's life no dade Winnie Khumalo obethi Mapaputsi always encouraged her ukuthi aphile impilo yakhe to the fullest ngaso sonke isikhathi. Siyabona ke lapha ukuthi bekuyi memorial service ke you guys let's hope umoya wakungalala ngokuthula ngaphandle kwa yonke idrama yama funeral parlor and all yena usezilalele inkosi yami okuningi sokuyosala bedonsana kodwa yena uselele umoya wakhe sengathi ungalala ngokuthula. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ibuke video, ulike, usubscribe, ushare, siphinde sibonane kwenye izolandela. Bye.